After a review meeting chaired by Chief Minister Pramod Sawant on Wednesday evening, on Thursday, there are many significant transfers in Goa Police. The most significant transfer is of Rahul Gupta, IPS officer. He has been replaced as North Goa SP by Harish Madkaikar, a GPS officer. But Rahul Gupta will continue as Crime Branch SP and he will also have the charge of SP Cyber Crime Police. In another order regarding the DySPs transfer and posting, 3 newly promoted DySPs have got their postings. The most significant transfer on the post of DySP is of Nutan Bernekar, who has been transferred from FRRO to Anti-Human Trafficking Unit, and she will also have charge as DySP of women police stations. 34 police inspectors have also been transferred. Some of the important names are PI Harish Rao Desai has been transferred from Kankon to Traffic Cell Kolba. Vijay Rane Sardesai has been transferred from Crime Branch to Bicholim Police Station. PI Sachin Lokre has been transferred from Pernem to Crime Branch Raibandar. PI Parjot Phatte has been transferred from Headquarter to Anti-Corruption Branch. PI Narayan Chimulkar has been transferred from Mopa Airport Police Station to ATS. PI Krishna Sinari has been transferred from Traffic Cell Ponda to Pernem Traffic Cell. PI Prasal Desai has been transferred from Crime Branch to KPM Police Station. PI Meera De Silva has been transferred from Anti-Narcotic Cell to Women Cell, and PI Rima Naik has been transferred from Women Cell to the Pink Force. It is for the first time when the Pink Force will have full-fledged PI, and after almost a decade, North Goa Police will have a GPS officer as SP North Goa. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.